Hey guys, this video is going to be a little different than what I normally do because I do product reviews and vlogs and stuff like that, and this is about NASA and the moon landing. NASA created their footage themselves, but I found some mistakes that they didn't realize in their movie set, that everything needs to be continuously fluid. As being an assistant director, I kind of know these things, and they weren't they didn't keep everything constant. Check out this footage.
Look carefully. I sped this up to make it look more realistic. The astronaut is just a mannequin, and someone is remote controlling this from this point of view. Look at the astronaut. He is absolutely lifeless, sitting there. It looks like this is done remote control. This is so funny. Take note on how precise each movement is during this flight. I don't see anything coming from those maneuvering jets. It's also a little wobbly. Please take note of that as well. Now remember, we're in space. Nothing should be precise, as if it was done with a motor or cables. Were you wondering how the flag stays straight? Look, a dowel. That's how it's done. That's how the flag stays straight. They had to do that because they were not on the moon. It will drop down if there's no dowel in it. Okay, Google, when was the Apollo 11 mission?
From July 16th to 24, 1969.
Now this is the actual fake landing, and they got flack for not showing dust flying around. But I want you to take note on the top middle of the screen where the lunar pad lands. Watch the effect of the dirt. Take note, it's coming up. Did you see it? Remember, we're on the moon. It should have floated a little bit. I'm going to rewind that so you can see that over and over again. It's little details like this that they miss, and I pick up on it immensely. It ticks me off that they actually faked the entire landing on the moon is 100% fake. Watch the flag. Very important. I had no idea there was wind on the moon. Where's the flag? It's supposed to be right next to the lunar module. We are in space. I shouldn't see any fire or flame.